Okay guys, this is the last video for today. Before we start with our next topic, we're gonna talk about hyperbolic function, how to do the integration with a hyperbolic function. But this is the last question for today. So the question is integration of dx, x root of 4x squared plus 9. So remember guys, there is plus. And x is what? Is on the in the left hand. Can you see? Of me. So this is my x. So when you find x that side, it means you're gonna set just x to become tan. Now, what are you going to do? You will do this. What is the square root of 4? Is 2. What is the square root of 9? Is 3. So you need 2 and 3. So we're gonna say let me use another marker. Let x be what? So since here it's 4, so we have to simplify. So it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 3 over 2 tan theta. You see? And then let's do now the derivative to both sides. Derivative of x is the only dx. And derivative of that one, we're just going to have 3 over 2 sec squared theta d theta. So, now what we will do is what? Let's find now this expression. Root of 4x squared plus 9. So we're going to have this 4, just going to put 4 there. What is x? X you already said this side. So what is 3 over 2 squared? Is only 9 over 4. And tan theta squared. And then plus what? Plus 9. So can we cancel by 4 and this 4? So factorize that again 9. We're just going to have 9. 1 plus what? Tan theta. So guys, we said last time, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So we're just gonna have root of 9 sec square theta. And then so to simplify that, we're just gonna find 3 sec theta. And then we know already this x, we're just gonna plug this value there. So now let's see, we're gonna have integration dx x, sorry for my marker guys, x root of 4x squared plus 9 is now going to give integral of what? I'm going to use the color dx. We already said dx is what? Is this. So is 3 over 2 sec squared theta d theta. And then this we divide by what? X. What is x? X is 3 over 2 tan theta. And then what is this root? This root we just said it was 3 sec theta. This one. So let's solve now that integration. So to solve that integration, so guys, what should we do there? We know already this number we are dividing the same, so they're gonna cancel. So we can cancel this, and this can also cancel. So we have sec, can also we cancel sec 1 sec, and then also cancel another sec. So we left with sec theta, and then 3 tan theta d theta. So we allow to take 1 over 3, and then the integration just stays sec theta over tan theta. Now guys, check. So there is the theta there. So what is sec? Sec is 1 over cos. So we're going to have 1 over 3 integral of 1 over cos theta divide. What is tan? Tan is sine theta over cos theta d theta. Right? So what will be this? we're just gonna have 1 over 3 integration. So can you see? We're gonna have 1 over cos, and then this cos is going on top, cos theta, and then this sign is gonna be down. So we can cancel it. So we left with 1 over 3 integration of what? Of 1 over sine theta d theta. So having now this integration 1 over 3 integration of 1 over sine theta. So this sounds tricky, right? Because there is no anything like a 1, you can say sine to be 2, and then when you derive it, you can't even find. So now what you guys will do, can we write this stuff in another notation? So 1 is, we're just going to have 1 over 3. What is 1 over sine? Now this is cosec theta, d theta. So this tells us that we found now 1 over 3 cosec theta d theta. How can we solve this integration? So it's very tricky, but it's easier, right? So this integration is already found. So this can I just write here? So this from here, we are there. I'm gonna have 1 over 3 integral of cosec theta d theta. So what is the integral of cosec theta d theta? Is 1 over 3, this one, and this integral is just minus ln of cosec theta plus cotant theta and plus c. So now the integration was in terms of what? Was in terms of x. So what we have now to do is what? We have to solve this integration in terms of what? Of x. So guys, remember this is negative. There is a you have to multiply that by 1 over 3. So this is just minus 1 over 3 ln of cosec theta plus c. Now, how can we find cosec and how can we find cotangent theta? So that's very easy, right? So we can find them by using what? By using a triangle. So let's put a triangle there. There's 90 degrees, and then C, there is the angle we are busy focus is theta. So theta is there. So now guys, check from here. Can we solve from here tan theta? Yes. So tan theta from this, we're just going to multiply by 2 and divide by 3. So it's 2x over what? Over 3. So we have now tan theta, which is 2x over 3. What is tan in this triangle? Tan is what? Is sine over cos. And where is sine? So this is sine, is opposite. So you're going to have 2x. And then this one, we're going to have what? We're going to have 3. Can we find this period? Yes, we can find them by using the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, we're just going to add this, both of them. So we're going to have, this is 9 plus 4x squared. So now, if we have everything like this, so guys, I believe we can solve now for cosec. Because what is cosec? This cosec theta. Cosec theta is 1 over sine. So, now, so it means we have to find first sine theta. What is sine theta? Sine theta is this over that one. So your opposite side over your hypotenuse. This is your opposite to this angle theta. So we're just going to have 2x over square root of 9 plus 4x squared. So we have already that one. So we need also to find cos theta. So cos theta is the adjacent side over your hypotenuse. So we're going to have 3 over square root of 9 plus 4x squared. So since now we have everything, we can now solve. So this integration now can look minus 1 over 3 ln, we open the bracket. What is this one? We say it's 1 over sine. And we have 1. What is sine? Sine is this one. So the inverse of that one, we're just going to have what? Square root of 9 plus 4x squared divided by what? By 2x. And then plus, this plus, what is this one? So we need to take this and then divide by that side right term, but it's gonna be cos divided by sine. So this is gonna be cos, and then take this, we divide again by that one. So like it's gonna be, let's say we take this one, this is for cos, for sine is 2x, divide again by 9 plus 4x squared. So this and that one can cancel. So we're gonna left with 3 over 2x. So plus what? Plus c. That is how you should find this integration. And the question is finished by the. That was very kind of long, but it's very easy for you guys. So that is exactly from the first question, and then we solve just by finishing. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. So don't miss for the next topic, because the next topic we're gonna be talking about a parabolic function. You see, now you guys will see like besides sec, cotangent, we have another kind of function, trigonometric. So we call them hyperbolic function. So I'm gonna explain that in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. It was a pleasure. Please subscribe. And the only things I'm just gonna ask, share with your friends.